this video, I will discuss Ielts writing. Okay, let's start. Ielts writing. On this page, you can find all the information about Ielts writing. See Ielts writing topics, try useful Ielts writing lessons and tips, and see Ielts writing samples. Information about Ielts writing. Ielts writing test is made to assess your writing skills and techniques. There are two Ielts writing modules, academic and general. If you plan to study abroad, then you should take IELTS academic module, and if you wish to work abroad, then you should take IELTS general module. The time duration is 16 minutes of the test and 2 sessions. IELTS writing test lasts 1 hour and consists of 2 parts, task 1 and task 2. Writing task 1 is different for academic and general IELTS, but writing task 2 is the same for both modules. In the writing task 1, you are asked to describe a graph, chart, or diagram, and in general writing task 1, you have to write a letter to someone. In writing task 2, you have to write an essay on a given topic. IELTS academic writing. IELTS academic writing module lasts 16 minutes and has a two tasks, which must both be completed, although it is recommended to spend approximately 20 minutes on a task 1 and about 14 minutes on a task 2. You can divide your time between two sessions the way you prefer. Number 1, task 1. Describe a graph, table, chart, or diagram. The minimum word limit is 150 words and recommended time is 20 minutes. Task 2. Write an essay giving your opinion and justifying it. The minimum words limit is 250 words and the recommended time is 40 minutes. Academic IELTS writing task 1. In this task, you need to describe or summarize data such as graph, chart, table, diagram, processing, or scheme. You should write at least 150 words in this task. IELTS writing task 1 sample academic. You should spend about 20 minutes on this task. The graph below shows tourism statistics among good students from 2011 to 2014. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparison where relevant. You can see the graph number of visiting students 25,000, 20,000, 15,000, 10,000, 5,000. There are three lines and different color. The one line represent Paris, one line represent London, and the other line represent Rome. This is the graph. You write about the graph at least 150 words. IELTS writing task 2. This task is the same for academic and general modules. This is more challenging task. You should write an essay on a given topic, presenting your point of view and supporting it with relevant arguments. You should write at least 250 words in this task. IELTS writing task 2 sample. You should spend about 40 minutes on this task. Write about the following topic. Does internet need to be controlled by the government? Justify your answer. Write at least 250 words. IELTS journal writing. Number 1, task 1. Write a letter on a given topic. The minimum word limit is 150 words. Recommended time is 20 minutes. Task 2. Write an essay giving your opinion and justifying it. The minimum word limit is 250 words and recommended time is 40 minutes. IELTS journal writing module lasts 60 minutes and has two tasks which must both be completed, although it is recommended to spend approximately 20 minutes on task 1 and about 40 minutes on a task 2. You can divide your time between two sessions the way you prefer. IELTS journal writing task 1. In this task, you are asked to write a letter considering everyone's situation that you are likely to encounter while living in an English speaking environment. For example, a letter to an accommodation officer, your employer, or a friend. The letter may be personal, semi-formal, or formal. You are tested on your ability to write personal corresponding, provide general factual information, express your opinion, views, needs, wants, like and dislike, etc. etc. A journal writing task sounds simple. You should spend about 20 minutes on this task. Your friend is celebrating her birthday soon and has invited you to a party, but you are unable to come because you are going to attend an important meeting that day. Write a letter to your friend and thank her for the invitation. Explain why you cannot come. Propose to meet on other day. Write at least 150 words.